Hi, in this video we will learn how we delete the sheet in Microsoft Excel. For this, first there are two options. First option is if I want to delete this sheet number 1, right click on this sheet and here is the option delete. The sheet 1 is deleted. Now, the other option is I have selected this sheet number 2 and here is the delete cells and here is the option delete sheet. I will select delete sheet and then delete. The sheet is deleted. The other shortcut way to delete the sheet is shortcut key is Alt E and L. The sheet is deleted. Same, I select this sheet and then click Alt E L. The sheet is deleted. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe this channel. For if you like this video, kindly subscribe this channel and follow the page so that you can get notified for the other videos.